Hey y'all, Night Reaper here and welcome back to the channel. Today we're bringing you part 2 of the TIDRADIO wireless microphone, and this video is going to consist of showing you how to connect your microphone to use on Zello. When I had first asked TIDRADIO about this, they were under the assumption that this wouldn't work, but we found a workaround and it most definitely does work. You won't be able to use the PTT button to talk, but you will be able to use the power button to talk, and it's pretty cool. Watch till the end to make sure you know all important things about this. First, you're going to hit where you see that red circle, Bluetooth, on your phone, and then this menu is going to pop up. You're going to look for TID mic with some letters and numbers and tap on that. Once you have opened that up, another prompt box will open up asking you to pair the microphone. So go ahead and hit pair. Once you've done that, you're going to want to work your way over to your Zello app. And once you've gotten Zello opened up, you're going to hit the 3 dots in the top right corner. All right, then you're going to hit the options button under that drop down menu. And from there, you're going to hit settings. Once you've hit settings, the settings menu will open up and you are going to hit push to talk buttons. All right, once you've hit that, you're going to see a blue circle with a plus in the bottom corner. This is how you add any button on the mic or on your phone or any other device as your push to talk button. Now in the bottom left, you'll see me showing you which button you need to hit. You're only going to tap this button. I cannot emphasize this enough. You do not want to hold it down. You want to tap the power button and it will recognize it as a play button. Now, you can't use the PTT on the mic as your PTT button. You can only use the power button and the other 2 small buttons as your volume button. Also, it only works as a toggle button, so you can't actively hold it down because that will power off your mic. You can only tap it, talk, and then tap it again to turn it off. If you have any questions, feel free to comment below. As you can see there, I just tapped my button and toggled it on. I've got the green bar and I am modulating. And then I just tap it again when I want to stop modulating. Again, at the time of this video, it is August 6, 2025. The mic is on sale for $15.99, and you can also use my affiliate link, which will give you a couple more dollars off, which will pretty much help with that shipping. So you should be able to get the mic for under $20, shipping and handling included, with my affiliate link. We will have a second video coming out showing you how to connect your mic to the H3 Plus. And remember, if you have any questions or you'd like to tell us where you're seeing us from, leave a comment down on the video. And as always, please stay tuned. Appreciate your support. And don't forget to hit that like button to share it so other people can hear the good news, and subscribe if you haven't subscribed. We appreciate you. And 7 3s, this is the Night Reaper. And as always, we're out.